In this video, we'll show you how to install the Harley-Davidson Audio Powered by Rockford Fosgate Saddlebag Lid Speaker Kit. Welcome back. I'm Eric with Rockford Fosgate, and today we're going to show you how to install our new Stage 3 Saddlebag Speaker Lid Kit on this 2023 Harley-Davidson CVO Street Glide. During the installation process, we'll be referring you to the product ice sheets and the Harley-Davidson Service and Repair Manual. We include a paper copy of the product ice sheet with your kit. If you do not have the service manual, it could be purchased through your local Harley-Davidson dealership and available to be ordered online at harley-davidson.com. To help guide you through the installation, you'll see these icons appear in the lower part of the screen. The first icon will refer to the Harley-Davidson Service and Repair Manual for your make and model. The second icon is for your product ice sheet, illustrating the detailed installation process and tools needed. Now, to get started, we want to remove the main fuse to prevent the motorcycle from accidentally starting. You never want to work on the motorcycle's electrical system with the fuse connected. First, we'll remove the clutch side saddlebag and service cover to access the main fuse. Make sure to disable the security system. Now that that's done, we're ready to remove the existing speakers and grills. Start by disconnecting the OEM audio harness, taking note of the speaker polarity. Next, we'll remove the 4 screws holding the grill in place using a T20 Torx. Be sure to hold on to the hardware since we'll be reusing it later. Once that's done, you can remove the speaker from the saddlebag lid using a T20 Torx. Now we're ready to install our new Stage 3 speakers. We're using the same hardware, alternate the screws, assuring that you have a proper seal. Torque settings are provided in the ice sheet. Please note that there are left and right side speakers. Once you have the speakers secured in place, you can install the grills and finish by reinstalling the OEM audio wiring harness. We've included a new capacity label that can be applied over the old one. Once you're done with the brake side, you can repeat the process on the clutch side saddlebag. Now for video clarity, we're reinstalling the bag temporarily, but this is not necessary and can be completed off the motorcycle. Now we're ready to reinstall our main fuse, service cover, and saddlebag. To prevent any possible damage, make sure that your motorcycle is in the off position before proceeding. Now we're ready to test the system. Turn the motorcycle to the on position, but do not start the motorcycle. Make sure that all speakers are working, including the front and rear fader function. To ensure the proper audio performance, the Digital Technician 2 is required for audio and amplifier firmware updates. As you can see, that install was very straightforward. Now, if you have any questions or prefer a professional do the installation, please don't hesitate to contact your local Harley-Davidson dealership. Until next time, I'm Eric, and we'll see you again soon.